Where are we, Jake? Where are we?
Metro station.
Metro station. Universal City.
That was no me on
Oh, you made the biggest mistake of your life. See, Jake and I got... Remember how... Oh, I can't say that. Never mind.
God damn it, woman.
What'd you put in here?
A 20.
She put a 20.
Oh, these all corners?
Yes.
You want me to keep them?
No.
Dang it.
You have like,
Okay.
what'd you expect? Money back?
Yes.
On the bright side, we can use quarters. Lots of them.
Sorry, bro.
I'm gonna take my tip.
Okay. Wait. Jake, stop.
Jake. Money is exchanged.
Stop. Give me
sorry.
more. Give me all of that. Stop. Give me the rest. Oh.
Oh my god. $20 in change. Dumbass.
The train's coming, the train's coming, the train's coming. No! My hat! It's illegal! Just run!